Docking a boat can be a challenge for any boater. Docking a sailboat's even harder to do because you don't have the benefit of the motor to control the speed and the direction when you're coming into the dock. Hey, I'm UpNorthGuy. I'm going to show you how to dock a sailboat using my Hobie Wave. As an example, this would be good for beginners or anybody else who's trying to learn about this part of sailing. Let's talk about what we're going to do first before we do it. To stop a sailboat, you got to turn it directly into the wind. So the idea with docking is you want to do that action, turn it directly into the wind right when you're next to the dock. Now today, I got a good wind. This wind is coming in pretty much parallel right to my dock. That's going to make it easy because when I come in towards the dock, I'm just going to turn the boat right at the last second, and then it will slow down and stop pretty much right there in place. So what I'll be doing is coming pretty much straight at the dock, maybe a little bit at an angle, and I'm going to let the sail out, slow it down, slow it down, slow it down as slow as I can without stopping it. And then right at the last second, I'm going to turn it really hard, right parallel to the dock. And then I'm going to drop the main sheet, which is this rope assembly here, disconnect that from the back of the sail. It's called the clew of the sail here. That will leave the sail loose. As you can see right now, it's just sort of floating there. It's not going anywhere. That's what you want once you come into the dock. That's going to be kind of one quick motion when I do that. Come in, turn hard, disconnect the main sheet from the clew. Then the last thing to do is just tie it down here to the dock. Alright, so here's the approach to the dock. I'm going to come straight at it. You can see it right up in front with the 4 white chairs there. Now I'm going to turn up into the wind. That's going to be up this way, so to my right. And you need to have enough motion, enough power on the sail to get you in there, but you don't want too much or else you're going to crash right into the dock. So I'm going to try to angle this for the left side of the dock as I'm coming in, and then I'm going to let the sail out. So right here I'm letting the sail out. See, that's loosening up the sail. Let it out, let it out, let it out. The sail is way up there. I'm going to slow it down. Depends on how much wind you got out there. That's a pretty loose sail right now. Going too fast. Going to let it out, let it out, let it out. Slow it down. Keep it slow. And come straight at it. And right at the last second here, still moving, still moving. Right about now. And then drop the main sheet from the clew, and then come over quickly to the dock. I got a little bit of wind here. Grab my rope and then tie it down. You can see the sail is hanging out straight there. Not a lot of resistance on it. That's what you want. I'm right at the dock. I'm just going to go tie it off, and we are docked with the sailboat. Here's a view from the dock looking out at the approach. You can see that sail is going out. I'm letting it out, slowing the boat down. Can't turn it upwind here. It'll be way too far off the dock. So I'm going to just keep it moving. Dock is coming. It looks like I'm going to hit it straight on right there. Start to angle it a bit and then shove that tiller bar right there at the last second. Get up, drop the main sheet from the clew, get out, grab the dock, and the boat is in. Couple of last thoughts about this. When the wind is coming really, really strong, you want to do the whole movement that I did right there coming in next to the dock, just a couple of feet out, because the boat's going to move around just because of the wind being stronger and the waves pushing you. Sometimes the wind's going to come directly into the dock. That's going to make it a lot harder. When that's the case, again, you got to turn it up into the wind as close to the dock as you can. You're going to have to get out and going to get wet to move the boat over into the dock in that situation. You know, the other thing I'll say is it just takes practice. I mean, I learned on this boat, hit the dock a number of times coming in too strong, left it out too far sometimes as well. Don't worry about it. If it's not working for you, just keep trying at it. You'll get the feel for it. You know when to turn and get the boat into the dock without any issue. Okay, that's it for this one about docking with the Hobie Wave. Hopefully this was helpful for you. If it did help you, if you liked the video, do me a favor, give it a thumbs up. Drop in a comment in there. I really appreciate the feedback. Share it out with anybody who's trying to learn about the same thing. Check out my channel, UpNorthGuy. I got more videos about the Hobie Wave, life and living up here, beautiful northern Michigan.